Hi, I am Diana from Sanding Department. So the second link for today is to arrange a little bit the flag. This flag we are needing in the HDF roller, and every time that we come for a new job, we always have to go that way, take the flag, sometimes fall and it's hard to take it, and you have to go all the way through here to put a new job. So what we thought about it is, since we have this spot empty, we are thinking to put some flags over there. Then it's on our way. So when we need it, we just take one from the next job, and it's easier. We eliminate the motion step. Thank you.